Good morning, dear students. This is first topic of unit 1, that is engineering material. Now we will discuss about the classification of engineering materials. So one point should be clear to you. There are various types of classification are possible in different books. So you can follow any one of them. You can classify the engineering materials in various manners. Broadly, you can classify the engineering material in in metal and non-metal. In metal, you will have two categories, that is ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous materials are those which is having the content of iron. It means any metal which contain iron, you can say it is ferrous material. Cast iron, steels are some examples. The second category of in the metal is non-ferrous. It means the all metals which does not contain any iron, you can tell them as a non-ferrous. For example, copper, aluminium, lead, tin, nickel, zinc, titanium. These are the metals but don't have any iron content. So we tell as a non-ferrous. In non-metal category, there are many things. In non-metal category, there are organic, inorganic, ceramics, and other categories are alloys. In alloys, then again it can be ferrous and non-ferrous. Then plastics are there and composites are there. In plastic, you can see there are two types of plastics, thermosetting and thermoplastics. In thermosetting category, various examples are there: polyester, silicones, elastomers, etc. Thermosettings are those plastics which cannot be reused by melting, but thermoplastics are those types of plastics which can be reused after giving the temperature or after the melting. So thermoplastics are vinyls, fluorocarbons, polyamides, etc. So this is one way of classification. If we go the simple classification for examination point of view, you can simply classify engineering material as a metal or non-metal. In metal, you will have two categories, ferrous and non-ferrous. In non-metal, you can write organic and inorganic. Inorganic, which contain carbon compound, and in inorganic, which does not contain any carbon compound. So this is a simple classification. Any one you can write in the exam. So this is all over of today. In next video, I will tell about various engineering properties of materials. So thanks for today.